Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and you'll be watching the ESOL strategy called Dinner Party today. The class is going to be working on the foundations of division, and we're going to use a dinner party theme to help us. The changes that I made to the second lesson plan were giving the students more wait time and giving the students an opportunity to work with everyone in their group instead of just their shoulder partners. There are no official ELLs in the classroom. There's one native Spanish speaker, but he does very well understanding content and vocabulary. I think that the changes were successful because wait time always encourages more thinking, and working with your whole group instead of just your shoulder partner gives you different perspectives from different kinds of thinkers. I think doing this lesson more than one time was effective because I got opinions from my peers and my teacher that would help me do this lesson better this time, and it's always important to get an outside perspective on what you're doing instead of just grading yourself. So enjoy the party! What box for today the students will be able to is use models to divide whole numbers that do not divide evenly. Can you think of any numbers that do divide evenly? Well, so what if you had 13 divided by 6? Would that divide evenly? No. All right, so what will we have left? Second? A remainder of 1. So our vocabulary term in the math book today is remainder. Can someone give me a definition of remainder? We got an example. Jesse?
A leftover part.
A leftover part. Okay, so what's left over? So 12 over 6 would be nothing left over because it goes into it 2 times. But 13 over 6, there'd be a leftover of how many? Louis? 1. Leftover of 1. So a remainder of 1. So what we're going to be working on now is visualizing, just like what Jesse said. If there were, let's say, 8 people. You see how I have 8 circles on my paper? If there were 8 people and I had 16 cookies, how many would each person get? 2. Okay. What if I had 17 cookies, Elijah? How many would each person get? 2. And there would be 1 left over. All right, that's what we're going to try to figure out. Okay, we're going to look at the first problem, and it says 10 divided by 3. So on your papers, we're going to have 3 people, okay? So you need 3 circles to represent 3 people, okay? So just look at 3 circles on your paper, and there are 10 pancakes for breakfast, okay? So if you have 3 circles, and there are 10 pancakes for breakfast, show me on your brown paper how many pancakes each person is going to get. We have 15 cookies, and there are 6 people over at your house, you and 5 other people. So there are 6 people over at your house, and you have 15 cookies. So using 6 of your plates, show how many cookies go on each plate if you have 15 total cookies. Share with your group members how many you think each person should get.
I think every person should get 3 because 3 times 3 equals 9, but there isn't like 4 people unless you cut this into thirds. I think I should have 10 pancakes. Me too. No, I agree with the 3.
Yeah, so do I. With the remainder of 1.
Look at number 1 and answer those in your book individually. What does that say for number 1, Sistina? Can you read that to me?
I put R.
Very good idea.
Megan, do you want to share with the class your idea? What? Everybody listen, Megan has a good idea of what to do with the remainder.
Yeah, you just put an R equals and your remainder.
Okay, so she's putting the remainder in the middle of the paper and not on a plate.
Yeah, if it was like if people make some math. Yeah, so it basically tells you the answers and helps you. And there's 1 left over because it's uneven, and 1 person will get 1 extra.
Show me on your brown paper how many pancakes each person is going to get. You're only using 3 circles.
Yeah, so do I. With the remainder of 1.
28 divided by 5. How many counters are we going to have if we have 28 divided by 5? Chantel? Anybody tell me why this is valuable, knowing how to visualize division? Gabe, can you tell me how? Our SWABOT for today, students will be able to, was to use models to divide whole numbers that do not divide evenly. And we learned this process by using dinner plates and counters. Can someone explain that process to me? Sophia?
So the process would be like 28 divided by 5. You would go to the nearest 5 that's closest, which would be 5 times 5, which equals 25. So you would use that with the remainder of 3.
Very good. Okay, so this helps us in everyday life because it helps us with our division facts, even our multiplication facts, because we can go backwards with it. All right? And our vocabulary word for today was remainder. Can someone tell me what that meant? Chantel?
Remainder means to have something left over.
To have something left over. So in a division problem where there's an extra, the extra is called what? Everyone?
A remainder.
A remainder.